Okay, we're rolling. So I'm lying here on my bed. Thanks for the viewers who really like my content and comments, and also thanks for subscribers. Um, so I got fish. I actually ordered it last week, man. I'm still waiting for it. I asked the guy. He said maybe it's gonna come next Monday. So then I asked him today again if he couldn't try to get it delivered this week, because next week I'm going away on business. He said he tried to squeeze it in. So that's like the new section of my channel gonna be fish based. I don't know if I'm gonna do SCP reactions anymore, because it's not getting views. But if you guys watch it and like it, share a comment on one of my videos and say I must still make it, then I will. But if you guys not interested, why should I go on? And if you are listening to this, please leave a like and subscribe.